Okay, so in this section of the exercise, we're going to be talking about one of my more favorite kind of picking patterns with the right hand. This is a 9/8. Why 9, you ask? Well, that's an interesting question, you ask. And that's because in this specific thing, in like Middle Eastern music, we tend to use 6/8 a lot and 9/8 a lot, 7/8 even. But for a picking pattern 7/8, it's not really so intuitive for me. And 9/8 was definitely something that really made more sense to me. And I'm just going to play basically an A major shape here in the open position. I'm just using my first finger bar. Of course, you can always use all 3 fingers there if you want. But in this case, just the first finger bar on the 2nd fret there. First things first, let me just play it for you once so you can get a feel for what it sounds like. Okay, let me go over the right hand pattern. This is one of the more difficult things to really get. The left hand seems to be more straightforward. I'm just playing A open here, F, G, and then A again here, followed by another F here, another inversion of the F chord here, another G inversion, followed by the A at the very end. Okay, so the pattern here with the right hand, I'm using thumb on the low A string here, then index. Basically, the way I like to explain it even is by the string numbers. So if I'm playing 5, let's just assume that the thumb is always going to take care of the lower 3 strings. Thumb always on the 6, 5, and 4 strings. Index finger always on string 3 of the G. Middle finger always on the B string, and we got ring finger here last, always on the E string. Okay. If you have this rule in your right hand, I'll just go over the string names, so the string numbers for you to identify. You'll be able to identify which finger goes where. So in this case, I'm playing string 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Now string 4, 3, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I'm doing here with the A chord, switching to the F chord, right? Oftentimes you'll notice that in the middle of the last note that you play of the sequence, you might find yourself playing an open string, an extra open string or something like that. That's pretty common. That's part of the nature of playing the acoustic guitar. But as long as you remember that the first note of each bar is the bass note, have the bass note come in first, right? Always make sure that that's coming in first. For example, to switch here, you see I'm noticing the ring finger comes first, then the other fingers come after. Same with the next shape. Again, bass note. So now the real tempo is a little bit quicker because 9/8, if we're remembering, 8th notes are a little bit quicker than quarter notes, you know, when we're playing as far as with a tempo or something like that. So the real performance tempo for something like this would sound like this.